He's laid up in the bushes, bro. He's chilling right there. This right here is this little tiny crate that I made into a small turtle pond. Oh my gosh, there's the albino one. You hear him? Got one. Oh, got one. My God. Look. Oh my gosh. Let's get it, Mom. If you see any more, you call your son.
I will.
You call your son and let me know. I'll be here like the ambulance.
Oh, good.
The turtle ambulance. We're driving on the side of the road. No one else would do this, but I gotta pull over and look at this. Check this out. This is Florida for you. An alligator right on the side of the road. Should I call FWC?
Yeah. We don't want him to get hit by a car, you know? Where'd he go?
He dipped. Dude, he dipped. He's right there. He's laid up in the bushes, bro. He's chilling right there. He's got weeds all over his face. He just got out of the water. I wonder if there's water back there. That's definitely marsh. That's crazy. He knows where he's at, but he's chilling right there. Oh yeah, he's pissed. All right, buddy, we'll leave you. I just didn't want you to go towards the road. See you later, bud. My main goal was to just direct him. I can't touch him or else we'll get in trouble. Direct him away from traffic. This is a very, very, very busy road. We don't want him to get hit by a car. Dude, he was sitting right on the edge. Like literally sitting right there. Go, buddy. I'm gonna walk him back to the water. Come on. You don't want him turning back this way.
Yeah, I'm running.
There's water in there. He's just a little baby. This marsh all over here. I didn't know there was that much water back here.
Wow.
That's why I thought he was so far away from water. I was gonna call FWC, but no, he's good. There's marsh. Well,
way to go.
What's going on, bros? Welcome back to another video. That is one way to intro the video, huh? We got to get back to the car though, because we are in a rush. Let's go. So you might be wondering, what do you mean we're in a rush? Well, my mom gave me a phone call this morning that I love. I love these phone calls. They've happened in the past. We found baby turtles in the past, but there's some baby turtles in my parents' backyard. These ones are already born. They're little tiny babies. I tell you what, last time we found eggs. We brought them to Kennan's house, and unfortunately they were not fertile. They were albino red-ear slider eggs. This time, seatbelt, safety first, safety first. They're already born, like I said. So we got baby turtles no matter what. Let's go check it out. Dude, what is this drive? This is so crazy. I'm just in a car, we find an alligator, and now speaking of alligators, I was just talking about Camp Kennan, and look. That's him right there. He said, I'm going to get turtle food. We're going to get baby turtles. We are here at my madre's house. Bailey, you can hear Bailey. Is it unlocked? Oh, it's unlocked.
Hey, who's that?
Hello, mother.
Oh, hey, baby.
We are here to accomplish a mission.
Yes. I saw baby albino turtles. I swear, in the pond. I can't find them right now, but I swear I saw them.
Oh. Come on, Bailey.
Come on, Nene.
How many were there?
Oh, I think 2 or 3. I'm not sure.
Oh my gosh, there's the albino one. See him? That's the one that dropped him for sure. That's Mama, for sure. That's Mama.
He's always there, that one. We have coffee, Bailey watches him and lays here and...
I'm on the hunt. I'm on the hunt.
I thought I saw one right where that little albino...
Well, wherever you saw him is definitely not where they're at. That's for sure.
True.
So
Watch, here he goes.
It's time for a hunt.
See you later.
He's about to drop off. Ready? Send it. Oh! Oh!
That was pretty great.
It kind of looks fun. All right, so we're here to find some baby albino turtles. Albino. A couple months back, I dropped off all my albinos, and they've definitely had some babies since, because we've found some albino eggs. We had this girl laying some eggs. Unfortunately, they were not fertile. I'm assuming some eggs were laid by said female, and male fertilized these ones, and they hatched. Who knows how long ago. Typically, these turtles are like spawning and laying eggs and hatching. It's usually like springtime when all this happens, not this time of year typically. Obviously, these are babies. She said they're about that big. So we're on the hunt, and I hope to find them. If we don't find at least one, I'm gonna be disappointed. Let's go hunt around all the land, and then we'll go to the water too. These are Malaysian box turtles. We've gotten many babies from these as well. Right, buddy? gosh, there's so many freaking places for them to hide. Oh my gosh. Look at this little guy. Hey, buddy. You hear him? Did you hear that? That was him closing his shell. You cannot get into this. So imagine you're a raccoon trying to eat this thing. You ain't getting it. His legs, everything is fully tucked. Fully tucked. Look at that. So we've got this guy. I think we have 2 of these people have dropped off here to my mom. There's all sorts of turtles. We're in a jungle, literally a jungle. There's so many places for them to hide. They have this little walk-up area. Oh my gosh, I thought that was one. I thought this was one. It could be who knows in there. Got one. Oh, got one.
My God.
Look. Come here, David.
No way.
Look.
Yes, dude. Look at him. No way.
Oh, look at that. It's completely tucked away. Hey, where's my mom? Let me call her. Look at how tiny the albinos. That's so sick. Finally. Look at this is the big one right there.
Hey.
Hey, we found one.
You finished?
Yep.
Oh my God.
Come out here. All right.
Okay.
Gosh, dude, I want to find them all. Look at that. Look at the difference in size right there.
Let me see.
A baby. Very small.
I told you.
Look at his little face.
Let me see.
You want to go for a ride? Look. Look at the size difference.
Oh my goodness. Hello.
Maybe check that bush right behind you.
Oh, I almost went for a swim.
That's the bad rock.
That is the bad rock. I almost just went
got
right
you.
in the water. I see him! I see him!
Do you?
Yes, look!
Here. Oh my gosh. Right in front
I
of us.
saw him from a distance.
I thought it was a rock.
Wow.
I saw him from a distance. Look at him. His little tail's out.
That's perfect circle.
He's way more white, Mom. Look at him. Look at him. He's pissed. He's like, put me back. That is so cool. I wonder if he's got like a different breed in him or something. I don't know. Why is he so white compared to the other one? Man, look at me and Joey. We're different.
I swear. Same parents.
Same dad? All right. Another baby. That's 2, Mom. That's 2. We need 1 more, if there is another one. They lay a lot of eggs. It could be very possible that there's way more of these in this backyard. These suckers go for a lot of money, you know that? We're rich right now. We are rich. The amount of caves and rock hides in this pond is unbelievable. There could be way more of these, so we'll definitely keep our eye out. I'm gonna look a little bit more. Never know. This is paradise. We could put 100 turtles back here, and they would all have their own house. That's why I call this the retirement home, Mom. I don't know what else to say. I feel like I looked at every spot that would be like. I did find one of your box turtles back there. For all I know, I could be stepping on eggs in the ground. I'm so stoked. We just got a solid like $400 or $500 worth of turtles. Sweet. Let's get it, Mom. If you see any more, you call your son.
I will.
You call your son and let me know. I'll be here like the ambulance.
Oh, good.
The turtle ambulance.
If I need you to do something around the house, I'll just tell you that I found a little baby.
What did I just do to myself?
Backfired, huh?
That backfired really bad. All right, now we gotta go make a Tupperware with a wet paper towel.
Elf is my favorite.
We gotta get out of here. Bam. There we go. Mom!
Yeah, would you like a cup of coffee? Or a nightlight? Or a Christmas song?
Oh my gosh, Mom, you're a stud. You're a stud. Anyway, guys, we just released a couple new products on the website. My mom straight up just threw that one right at me. We've got some PC mugs, some Christmas ornaments. Who doesn't want a nice PC hanging from the tree, whether it's for this year or next year? TJ, that's my manager. I'm promoting some merch. Can you stop calling? Some night lights. These are really nice. Watch this. We got red ones and blue ones. I'm not sure which one you'll get, but one of the two. Look at that. Check it out. Night lights. I got them all over my house, actually. And water jugs. We got all sorts of stuff. So if you guys are interested in... Oh, I caught it. I caught it. I caught it.
Oh my God.
If you're interested in any of these products right here, I'll leave the link down below. If you guys want any of it, yeah, get it now because they're all limited. I think we literally have like 50 of these, 25 of the mugs, 45 of the night lights, and like 25 of the cups. So it's all limited. Once it's sold out, it's sold out. Go get it while you can. Top link in the description, PaulCuffarobrand.com. They're on there somewhere. We got 1 turtle and 2 turtle. Going home, I can't believe this literally just happened. That's crazy. Let's take these suckers and go home to put them in our little 120-gallon turtle pond that has a lot of other baby turtles that I'm excited to show you guys too. We have made it home to the fish building. Hello, ducks. I thought to myself the other day, how cool would it be to have a massive PC logo right here, all black? Wouldn't that be awesome? Like right in the middle of the two windows, right there behind me, all black PC logo. It's like the PC compound. Would that be cool? Let me know. Let's get these turtles inside though. This right here is a 120-gallon turtle pond. We've made many videos on this. Inside this pond is many species of turtles, big and small. I ended up putting the African side neck back in here. He just loves it in here compared to that. He loves it in here. Oh, check this out. I love seeing the Matamata in a different location. He was up there, always had his head this way. He never would really move. I moved him under there and now he's like, there's fish in here? He's probably now like, I'm gonna hunt these son of a guns. Look at all these minnows. We released so many big minnows in here yesterday. If you're a member of the channel, you saw that video. We released that as a member video. This right here is this little tiny crate that I made into a small turtle pond. Actually, as a matter of fact, a lot of our babies are out right now. One of the snapping turtles are out. Looks like he just ate something. Yellow belly, pink belly, side neck is out down there. This is just a little tiny crate, a UVB lamp and a basking lamp, little basking area, a whole little section for these baby turtles to stay away from these bigger turtles to prevent them from getting hurt, whether it's bit, not eat enough, die. Who knows what it may be, but I have this little tiny crate here for baby turtles only. What do you say we get these suckers in? All right, buddy. So long. Let's see how long it takes you to walk in. That's the real question. How long will it take you to walk in? Hello? No? What if I put you in the water? He's terrified. He's like, where the heck am I? But he'll like it once he opens his eyes. This one we already know is gonna walk right off the bank. He's actually out and about now. I'm surprised this one hasn't got out yet. Let's put him in. Here you go, bud. Two new albino baby turtles. It's a tetra. He must have squeezed his way through one of these little crate holes. We have a tetra stuck in the, or he's probably not stuck, he got himself in there. So if you get yourself in something, you can get yourself out. This pond is so cool. And by the way, remember I told you I wanted the wave maker? I ordered one on Amazon. It came, I just have no, I have no outlet plugs left. I'm out of space. So I need to buy like a, I'm gonna put that right there. It'll get a little bit of flow through this so there's some water flow. I removed this rock out of the new flowerhorn tank because every time I walked in the building, I could see him take off to the rock. He's just hiding. So I'm gonna let him get used to the fact that he doesn't have somewhere to hide. He's like, why'd you take my rock out? That was my hiding spot. Well, you're gonna get used to not having that, buddy. The tank looks massive compared to how tiny he is. Anyway, the flowerhorn we named. And it was named because of the reason we actually got this flowerhorn in the first place. When I was with Brenton in Texas, we went to this random fish store. They had this beautiful large flowerhorn. And I said if it got a certain amount of likes, I would buy that flowerhorn. Unfortunately and fortunately, we did hit the amount of likes, which was like 30,000 likes. Y'all crushed the like button on that. So I had to get that flowerhorn, but when I called to have Brenton ship it to me, they sold it. So we had J4 Flowerhorns, big shout out to you, shipped us this exotic, 10 times cooler flowerhorn. Not as big, but way cooler. So that's where we got this flowerhorn, and the reason I'm bringing this up along with the name is we named the flowerhorn with Brenton Megamind. And when I said in last video to name this flowerhorn, my goodness were the comments flooded with Megamind. Megamind is the name of our new flowerhorn. How you doing, Megamind? You look good, buddy. You look good. The eel is out. The eel is out. He wants to hand feed. I have got Olaf to eat out of my hand now. Little chunk. A little bigger. Like that, right there, yeah. Yeah. That's my finger, dude. Oh, there you go. It's a little frozen still, but he'll get it. Olaf. Love each and every one of you so much. We have successfully made it through the first Monday through Friday of Vlogmas. Subscribe down below. Smash that dang like button. I want to see 20,000 likes on this video. I'll see you right back here in the next one. We got new albino babies. Peace.